Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you how I used the power of ChatGPT to write my IT support resume and land my first job at a multinational bank. First, a little background on me. I had been working in the IT field for a few years, but was struggling to find a job that matched my skills and experience. I knew I needed to make my resume stand out, but I wasn't sure how to do that. That's where ChatGPT came in. I had heard about the language model and its ability to generate written content, so I decided to give it a try. I started by giving ChatGPT a basic outline of what I wanted to include in my resume, such as my job experience, skills, and education. Then, I let the model take over and generate the actual language for each section. The result was a polished, professional resume that highlighted my strengths and accomplishments in a way that I couldn't have done on my own. I submitted my resume to several companies, including the multinational bank, and was thrilled to receive a call for an interview. During the interview process, I was able to speak confidently about my experiences and qualifications thanks to the language generated by ChatGPT. And in the end, I got the job. So, that's my story of how I used ChatGPT to write my IT support resume and land my first job at a multinational bank. I hope it inspires you to give the language model a try and see the benefits for yourself. Now that you know how I used ChatGPT to write my IT support resume and land my first job at a multinational bank, I want to show you how you can do the same. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to write your own resume using ChatGPT. Step 1. Gather information about yourself. Before you start, make sure you have all the necessary information about yourself, including your job experience, skills, education, and any relevant accomplishments or awards. Step 2. Set up your model. You can use the OpenAI API to access ChatGPT and start generating text. To do this, you'll need to sign up for an API key and set up a session. There are also several other platforms which you can use to access GPT-3. Step 3. Give the model an outline. Once your model is set up, give it a basic outline of what you want to include in your resume. This can include sections such as professional summary, work experience, education, and skills. Step 4. Let the model generate text. With your outline in place, let ChatGPT generate the text for each section of your resume. This can include sentences, paragraphs, and even bullet points. Step 5. Review and edit. Once the model has generated the text, review and edit it as needed. Make sure it is accurate, polished, and highlights your strengths and qualifications in the best possible way. Step 6. Submit your resume. With your polished resume in hand, you're ready to submit it to your desired companies. By following these steps, you can use the power of ChatGPT to write a professional, high-quality resume that will help you stand out from the competition and land your dream job. It's important to remember that ChatGPT is a tool and the final output depends on the inputs. You should always review the output and edit if necessary. And also you should use the correct tone and language for the specific job role you are applying for. So give it a try and see the difference for yourself. You can find free template links in the description, but if you want a premium template like mine, you can message me on Instagram. I will design an attractive template for you at a very affordable price. Good luck! Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.